Being a first generation woman professional, I had a lot of challenges that I had to face in my personal life as well as in the corporate life and balancing both. To state a few, getting into a co-ed school and getting into a professional college, getting a master's degree itself is a struggle for me. And after all these things, getting into a first corporate job in itself is an achievement for me. And from there, when my career started, I had to face a lot of personal challenges in terms of accompanying my husband to US, taking maternity leave, getting back from maternity leave, having a sit-at-home nanny for my daughter, putting my son in childcare, and then while they are growing up, supporting them. So all those challenges were there, like any other woman would have had. With all those things, I had to build a proper support structure for me at home as well as in the corporate life. Some of the learnings that I had facing all these challenges is just go with the flow. Whatever life throws at you, the changes that comes at you, just going with the flow with clear focus on the vision and the goal where we have to go through. So with that focus, I converted all the challenges into opportunities. All the breaks that I have taken so far have ensured that I get back into an elevated role, converted that as an opportunities, and I've learned from all the challenges. And some of the learnings that I had is having a sponsor for yourself, having some mentor or a coach at work who can help you, who can guide you through, whom you can speak to with all your experiences, challenges, so you can get some third person perspective inputs which you can try it out for your own self, because all experiences cannot be made, mistakes cannot be made by yourself, and there is something that you could get from sharing and learning, and by having a mentor and guide. So with all those things, I also learned that I need to care for myself. I need to have that self-care. In terms of yoga and meditation, I relax myself and rejuvenate myself. That has helped me on a longer run. And above all these things, one thing that has helped me throughout is never giving up. I stand for myself and I've ensured to come back. Whatever breaks that I have taken so far, I've ensured that to come back.